Hey guys, what's going on? Rick here, LaLa Farm, and I got Papa with me over here, and I got the Patrick back there. He insisted that he comes. There was no way that I was going to leave him at the house for this. We're in front of Phantom Fireworks, and we got Michael Harris coming out this coming Saturday. Good friend of the family, and YouTube follower, YouTube subscriber. But there's like apparently a firework shortage.
Well, it's because they say that they don't have enough containers to ship from China.
No, that's the story.
China.
But we're fortunate in that the town where we live is a Phantom Fireworks outlet. So
we do have that going for us, but at the same time, where do people come from? Where do people from Jacksonville come to buy their fireworks?
Phantom Fireworks, but we get the good stuff. We don't get those. We don't get just poppers. We get actually fireworks. See, this is what you can get here. You can't find these in Jacksonville because they have a rule over there where nothing can leave the ground. But over here, you got mortars.
We got the good stuff. We got rows of mortars.
Over 280.
Having fun? Hanging out with boys?
Specials on it.
That's funny.
You want the koi pond?
What are you doing, Patrick?
I'm picking this one out.
What is
that?
it?
A fishy.
Koi pond. The koi pond. Please, man. So we were standing in there and we're checking out, and everybody started clapping. We didn't know what the hell they were clapping about, but if anybody was wanting to know what $4,000 worth of fireworks looks like, that's it. Morning guys, Rick here from LaLa Farm. I got LaLa out here. We're at her barn, and try to finish this intro without Dupus starting to crow, but Me, Patrick, and LaLa are out here really early this morning. Michael Harris, who's been on previous videos, he came out, kind of hung out with us on the 4th of July, watched some fireworks, had some really good barbecue.
His wife Bobby's here too.
His wife Bobby is also here. She came, she wanted to pick up goats, and so they drove all the way from eastern Texas to pick up 5, correct?
5, yeah.
They're taking home 5 of our New Zealand Kikos.
Mommy didn't even know you were out here.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
You did.
On this one.
You in this trailer yesterday?
Mike, I've already done the intro saying you guys are picking up 5, but for everybody that doesn't remember, it's kind of like the buck barn walkthrough when Michael come over. That's Michael, and then that is his wife Bobby, and they're picking up again 5 of the New Zealand Kikos, and this is Patrick's. Patrick absolutely loves Mr. Michael, and so he was willing to wake up at 5 o'clock this morning and see them depart. Look who showed up and graced us with our presence at 6:40 in the morning.
The work's done, right?
Yeah, you showed up at a perfect time. So you showed up just in time to introduce Michael and Bobby and let them tell us a little bit about their farm.
Oh, all right.
So with that being said, take it away, guys.
So anybody who's followed the channel for any amount of time knows that, one of our favorite followers or subscribers is Michael Harris. Michael Harris is on just about every live. He's on just in the comments. So they're here yesterday and today to purchase some goats from us, and so I'm gonna let Michael and his wife Bobby Harris talk about Boca Vista Kikos from Texas. There you go.
We're Boca Vista Kikos from East Texas. We're here adding goats to our herd. We're trying to better our herd. We don't have anything for sale this year. We are putting 2 in the Oklahoma Hill sale. We don't have anything else this year, but we will have kids next year if anybody's interested. Anything you want to say?
Nope. Everybody who watches the channel knows me pretty much. So you're the new kid on the block
I'm the
here.
new one?
Yeah.
She's the new face.
That's the better half.
I will say though that you have to see the fireworks show here in person.
Wow.
It looks like
Is it
pretty
good? Your farm.
Yeah, it looks like
was
the
good.
city of Dallas or somebody.
Well, I mean, it's always a competition. It's always a everything's a competition at the end of the day, at some sort of level. And so yeah, we gotta compete with the neighbors. So
Well,
and I didn't hear anything else like ours last night. So we were
No.
There
good.
wasn't.
No, it
It was a
wasn't.
pop here and
Not
there
even
from
not
the
even
neighbors.
close. Not even close.
That's it.
Each year gets bigger.
Yeah, Yeah, we heard. What is the thing? How much can I buy this year?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's every year. Papa grabs some, I'll grab some, and then everybody else that's invited. It's a BYOF. Bring your own fireworks, so we can grow it and get it bigger.
Saving money like y'all are going on vacation, but it's really just to buy fireworks.
yes. Well, that's the only reason I got my. At the end of that, it's the only reason I got my driver's license updated, so it says veteran on there. So at Phantom Fireworks, I get a 50% discount. Literally.
There's a hole.